Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating an asset, a crucial step to manage and monitor your resources efficiently. Let's get started. Generally, assets are resources with economic value that an individual, company, or entity owns or controls. They anticipate future benefits in tangible and intangible forms, each contributing to economic value. Let's learn how to create assets on the Fogwing Asset Plus platform. To begin, log into your Fogwing Asset account. Once logged in, navigate to the Asset section. This is where you can create and manage your assets. Click the Add Asset button to initiate the asset creation process. This will open a form where you can input asset details, provide essential asset information such as asset name, asset code, asset image, and asset category. Assign the asset to the applicable plant. This helps organize assets within the context of different plants. Check the checkbox applicable according to your assets. Review the information provided, and once satisfied, click the Submit button to confirm. Your new asset is now added to the Fogwing Asset Platform. You can add more specification of this asset later. Thank you for watching the Fogwing Asset Plus platform's asset creation demo. We are excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.